Here we have a 2013 Volkswagen Caddy 1.6 diesel engine with roughly 97,000 miles on the clock. If you're getting the inspection warning on your dashboard, which we haven't got at the moment, I'm going to run you through the procedure to reset it. It's very similar, well, the same as doing the spanner lights, but you just need the hazard lights on. So we'll go ahead and give that a go. So with the ignition off, I'm going to put the hazard lights on, hold down the trip reset button, turn the ignition on, release that button, press the menu button, go back to your trip reset and hold that down, release the button, ignition off, hazard lights off, and that should be it. But as I said, it didn't have the inspection message on the dashboard, but that should be reset now for another year.